Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen Healthy Fine Dining Series, and we're here today with the Pocono Mountain Visitors Bureau, as well as St. Luke's University Health Network. Joining me in the kitchen today is Chef Matt Bickart of Kartrites Summit House, as well as Dr. Richard Boulay. What are we making?
We're gonna make chicken chili today.
Yum.
All right.
So this is ground chicken?
Yeah, it's ground chicken. So we're just gonna get the pan a little bit warm before we put it in, and add a little bit of oil just to help it not stick.
All right, so will you work on the chicken? Time to talk to the doc.
Okay.
Tell me about what your specialty is at St. Luke's.
So I am a gynecologic oncologist. I am a surgeon and medical oncologist that specifically is trained in taking care of women's cancers like ovarian cancer, cervix cancer, uterine cancer.
Great. What made you want to go into that field?
I think it chose me. The patients that we get to take care of, because we take care of them longitudinally over time for a very long period of time,
Right.
they're incredibly inspirational and just wonderful people to work with.
That's great.
We're gonna start to sweat our onion. You wanna add the bell pepper to that?
Sure. Smells really good in here, I can tell you that much.
There. All right,
Nothing like
so now we're
sauteed
gonna add
onions.
the tomatoes and the corn.
Okay. You want to add that in?
Sure. So we can use fingers?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, see, we don't do that in
We're
the
not
OR.
serving in a restaurant.
Well, and the operating
Right,
room, that's
no,
kind of
definitely
frowned
not.
upon too, yeah.
So, this is the point where I like to season.
Okay.
A little salt and pepper. Add our chicken to that. All right, so we're gonna add our spices.
Okay, I'll give them
Cumin
to you.
and chili powder. So we've toasted our spices. So we're gonna add our beans.
And these are like cannellini beans?
Yeah, that's cannellini
Okay.
beans, yep. And then we're gonna add our chicken stock. And then you're just gonna let this come up to a simmer. All right, and a little scallion for garnish.
All right, time to dig in. There's so much flavor happening in there. It's so simple but so flavorful.